So this is like the second piece of my breakfast. I've already had a lemon yogurt, and now I just have a banana split in two with some peanut butter on it. I put some flax meal, sunflower seeds, and granola. Sometimes I like to add yogurt, but since I already had some, this is gonna be breakfast. Hey guys, so we are heading to do a little bit of school shopping. It is a Sunday and it's supposed to rain a little bit, so I figured maybe we would just take a little adventure out of the house. We've been playing all morning. I think it's actually like noon already. And I'm just gonna go down to the outlets and see what they have. And if we don't find anything, that's fine. Just needing an excuse to get out of the house, honestly. Very quickly, I totally forgot it's lunchtime. She's been snacking, so I'm sure she's fine for a little bit, but I wanted to make sure I packed a lunch because I am not stopping and buying food. I have roasted rolled up chicken, a cheese stick, some cherries, chocolate almonds, banana chips, and crackers. She just had a bunch of carrots. That's why I didn't pack a veggie in there. That way she has food if she is hungry, and I don't have to spend money on unnecessary food. Go! I immediately regret this decision. And I wasn't thinking on a Sunday going south is the worst thing you could do. So everyone who vacations up here comes up to Maine in the usually on Friday for the weekend is going home on Sunday. And I know that, but I got on the highway anyway, forgetting that. So we literally just entered the highway and are almost at a standstill. So, the fun thing is, you can play a game with all of the license plates you see. So obviously we see Massachusetts, we see Rhode Island, Connecticut,
Do you see Florida?
New Jersey.
Do you see Florida?
I just had the realization that we're probably done with this section, and this section has the cutest clothes. Look at that little dress right there. And now we have to move over to like this and this. I mean, these are cute, but not for school. This way, girly. These are cute too. And they're mostly just empty of things her size, so we'll check out all the other outlets too. All right, so we're gonna get this one. Can't really see on camera, it looks great, but it's like a really pretty sage green, earthy tones. And then this one too. Meanwhile, she's admiring herself in the mirror. Okay, these are adorable. Sydney doesn't really need casual shoes, but if she did, oh my goodness. too cute.
I'm just behind you. Okay?
Oh, they're 40% off.
Mama, I'm behind you at the blue thing, okay?
Okay.
It's as far as
Not a bad deal, huh? Pretty good deal. All right, don't mind my state right now. So at Oshkosh, I got her just a couple pairs of leggings. We got these. These are that mustard color with the butterflies. Cute. These were on sale. I think they were $7. And then I got this pair, which is a blue pair with like all that, the floral pattern. Cute. Sydney does so much better with leggings. They're just so much more comfortable and they fit her usually better. At Gap, did I show you? I might have already showed you what I got. Everything was 50% off, so I went with this really pretty, like jewel toned green shirt, and it has the puffy sleeves, which I thought were really cute on her. And then I went with just a plain cream top, which goes with all the leggings. We definitely need things to go with those colorful leggings. And this has flutter sleeves, very similar to the Zara one that I already have for her, but we really can't have enough of the cream colored tops, honestly. So 2 tops, 2 pairs of leggings so far. And we have stuff at home, of course.
It's okay, she gets wet. She's wet.
That is cute. Oh, that's a real, no, it's not a riding toy. It's a really cute shirt. All right, this shirt is so cute.
Can I try these on?
Those are for adults, honey.
You try them on.
Okay, good enough. I'm out of hand sanitizer. So I did not get that shirt from Old Navy because it was not on sale. And it was 25 bucks. And I really don't think I ever buy things at Old Navy full price because they do have sales often. So I wasn't buying a shirt for 25 today. I think that's it. We only went to a few stores, but to be honest, there's
a lot. More like 100.
Well, we went to like 3. There's a whole lot of traffic. It's starting to rain, and I feel satisfied with, she only needed a couple more basics, like a couple more leggings and shirts that she can kind of rotate since we do have some stuff at home. So I think that we're good. It was more of an excuse to get out for myself. And I do want to go home and make a roasted tomato soup for dinner.
I love soup.
I know, doesn't that sound delicious?
I love soup. I'm so excited.
So,
Mama, tomorrow can I have soup for dinner too?
Sure.
Yes.
The clouds are looking angry on the way home though.
They're like,
Oh, there was lightning. Did you see it? All right, Sydney's downstairs listening very loudly to some music. That is copyright. So I've tried to close off her bedroom door so that you cannot hear it. I'm gonna go ahead and put Sydney's like back to school clothes on her clothing rack, and that way we kind of get set up. By the way, that tomato soup was delicious. We've had it for leftovers a couple of days now. I know I stopped filming right after that, but yeah, we had it for dinner and it was good. Then we had, I feel like soup is even better the next day for leftovers. And we had it with grilled cheese sandwiches for lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the clothes that I have for her on her clothing rack. I always try to arrange her clothes on this rack, things that go together, like tops that match the bottoms kind of next to each other. That way we don't have to kind of search for things. So like plain tops with these, you know, colorful leggings and the tops that go together, a couple of dresses. So she will have a few outfits laid out in this fashion, and then whatever like other things will be in her closet. It feels really good to slap on at least a little bit of makeup. Not gonna lie, this summer I can probably count on 1 or 2 hands how many times I've actually thrown makeup on. It felt like a human. Just kind of let myself be, since I'm mostly just running around here, not doing a whole lot of like peopling. Anyway, it feels really good nonetheless. Sydney is playing and entertaining herself, doing really well at that. She's in the playroom right now, so I need to get my ball going, and I really definitely need a routine, which we will have in a couple of weeks. So just kind of wrapping up summer and getting to the swing of things. If I was editing all of the footage from the other day when we went shopping, and my energy was so low, and it's because we've had another week of clouds and rain. And honestly, this whole summer has kind of been like that. So I probably should break out my light, but next week does look like it's gonna be good. So I don't know, man. It's just been rough. I washed my hair yesterday, so that makes me feel good. I put some makeup on today, so that makes me feel good. But yeah, I was pretty tired the other day, but feeling a lot more energized today. So Sydney and I are gonna go ahead and play a game. We're gonna play this I Found It game. So it's basically just like a search and find situation. By the way, this is really good. The blueberry, is it the blueberry? Yeah, blueberry lemonade. Are you gonna help me shuffle? Or do you want me to?
Wait, I want to do it all by myself.
All right, you shuffle.
This is sometimes, I only do a one-way.
That's okay, go ahead.
So I usually just put, like, so I usually put some of the cards at the bottom, then like switch it like that, and then I just straighten them out.
Okay, do it a couple more times, and then maybe we're good.
Okay.
Barrel.
That one.
What? Wooden wheel.
Does this count? I found one!
Oh my goodness. Game time's over. And now I broke out this little like timetable. I don't know. I'm just trying to literally figure out what to do. And so Sydney's gonna practice telling time.
Did you see me?
I did see you.
So quickly.
Oops, did that come off? Here, let me pop that back on there.
I'm still moving it to 10.
There. Then it will. Oh, so it goes this way. 2, 0, 0.
I thought it was 1, so I
Good job. 2 o'clock. Good job, Sydney.
This 7:30. I did it!
Good job. Okay, pick another.
1, 2.
Which number you want to do next?
do this one.
All right, so what number is that?
It's 4.
What number is this?
12. 30.
So
12:30.
12:30. Find the clock that says 12:30.
I think it's this one.
Nice work.
Because look, 12.
Yeah, the little hand's on the 12, and the big hand is on the 6, which means 30 minutes.
I want to do
Good job.
this one. Mama, can you quickly over the garage? I really don't want my cake to be wet.
Okay.